In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tag on ActiveCampaign. Tagging is a simple but powerful way to organize your contacts. When you add tags, you can quickly group people by interest, customer status, or where they are in your process. This makes it much easier to segment your list later and send more targeted campaigns. To get started, make sure you are logged into your ActiveCampaign account and looking at the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and click Contacts. This opens your contact list, where you can search, filter, and manage the people in your account. If you have a large list, take a moment to locate the exact person you want to update. You can scroll through the list or use any search tools available on the page to find them faster. Once you see the contact you want to tag, click the checkbox next to the contact name. The key detail here is that you must select the contact using the checkbox, not just click into the contact record. Selecting the checkbox tells ActiveCampaign you want to take an action on that contact. After you select it, you should see an action bar appear at the top of the page. This top bar gives you quick actions you can apply to the selected contact. In that top action bar, click Add a Tag. A field will appear where you can enter your tag. Now type your tag name using a clear label that will make sense later. For example, you might use something like Webinar S Attendee or Interested Product A, depending on your system. After typing the tag name, press Enter on your keyboard. Pressing Enter confirms the tag text and adds it to the list of tags you are about to apply. Finally, click Apply. This is the step that saves the change and actually attaches the tag to the selected contact. After you apply it, the contact will now carry that tag, and you can use it for filtering, automations, and segmentation moving forward. That covers everything you need to know.